Hey everybody.
Jeff and Steph's Excellent Oregon
Adventure.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So
back in the hood.
Yes,
Stephanie.
we're back in our home state where we originally started RVing from. And it's the month of October. We've been visiting. First couple weeks we had amazing weather. It was so awesome. And then it just turned to
downhill fast.
Yeah, it's been raining and cold, so we're getting ready to head back south for the winter. But we've had a whole month of fun with family and friends here, and we just want to thank everyone for hosting us and, everything. It's just been a great time. We haven't been home in more than a year.
Right.
And so it was nice to see all the kids. We have 4 between us, to reconnect.
And we went to some of our favorite stomping grounds.
Yeah,
Stephanie.
Restaurants and
Awesome.
places we used to go. So that was a lot of fun too. And we've had special time with my parents, and it's just been a really nice month for us.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
Time to go.
Yeah, time to go before the weather turns. And so we are going to be heading south for the winter. So more adventures to come soon.
So when you ever come to Oregon, there's what, 2 ways in?
Yeah.
3 ways, probably 3 ways.
Mm-hmm.
But most of them involve driving over a mountain pass.
Yeah, mountain passes every which way.
And if you're not from this part of the country, they predict weather, or snow in particular, according to the elevation.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll just say it's going to snow, up in these towns or whatever, because that's what it was like back east. So the snow levels are dropping down to 4,300 feet this weekend, and we are going through a pass that's 4,300 feet.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave a little early, haul ass and get over that pass and get
Yeah.
down into California and get back to some warm weather.
For sure.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to that because we love our sunny, warm days in the South.
We were
For
crybabies
sure.
here.
Yeah, it
lately.
got cold this last
We're-
week and started
We're
raining.
not acclimated.
And the electric heaters came out, and the hoodies, and the coats even, and we were like, brr! So it's going to be nice to get back into the sun.
For sure.
But we did have a really awesome stay here, and we just wanted to share some of those memories we've made with our kids and parents and friends. So we put together a video just spending time with all those people. And it's so important when you live the RV life. It is awesome because you have a house on wheels. You can go visit family and friends, but it's so important to, stay in touch and feel connected with your family when you're living this life.
Well said.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm here with my son, Jake, and he has a job interview coming up. So we are searching for some nice professional young man clothes for a college student. So what did you find?
Got some black chinos.
Yes.
Whatever the hell these are, kind of like jeans.
Heck.
Oh, heck.
Yeah, whatever the heck. And we got to find a nice dress shirt now and some shoes. Come along with us. We're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, vlog.
Now we are finding dress shoes to go with our new clothes. We're having so much fun shopping. Mom Sunday, right, Jake?
I get shoes built to fit.
Isn't this fun?
Fit check.
Show me how fun it is. That wasn't a very good smile. So Jake and I are walking a mall here in Salem, Oregon. I haven't been to a mall in inside one 10 years. When was the last time you were in one? When was the last time you were in one?
Literally last summer.
Wow, look at it. I can't believe it. I haven't been inside an actual walking mall in so long. So Jake and I got pizza in the mall.
Can't open.
What kind of pizza you got going on there?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. How hungry are you?
I'm famished.
Yeah, you gotta feed these college kids. They don't eat enough, so we're having pizza tonight.
There. That's how.
Yum.
That's hot.
That guy's cool. Which one is that? Is that Terminator?
Yeah.
And who's that one?
That's.
So my mother and I are at the fabric store today, and we are getting some beautiful fabric to recover the benches and headboard. And this is very exciting. We'll show you how it turns out. You can see it's like a green velvety dot material. Pretty awesome, Mom. You rock. Mom and I rocking it at the fabric store. Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
We'll do it.
So my mother sewed us these beautiful covers. She made them kind of like a fitted sheet with elastic around the edges that we can tuck over our old brown headboard. And then she also made us these bench covers out of the same fabric. So they just fit right over the top of these benches. Our shoes are in here, and they have an elastic edging. And they added a lot of color and prettiness to our bedroom. Love them. Thank you, Mom.
Yep. Can you
Here is Jeffy and Steph. Check it out. We're out to dinner with friends. Look at these drinks. Holy moly. Have you ever seen such a huge pina colada?
And you can eat the whole drink. You can eat the whole thing when you're done.
Yeah, we're at a Mexican
It's your
restaurant
meal.
tonight.
I know, I know. Just give me two
We're
of
gonna
these.
pig out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pig out. This is our friends Peggy and Randy, and we're out for Mexican food tonight. And look, we got the most fun drinks. Check out these drinks. They're awesome. Jeff, yes.
Yes. Delicious.
And we are having some good times tonight, making some memories. So
Nice.
Jeff just got his food.
It's the world's biggest burrito. I didn't know.
Holy
I didn't know it was a
moly.
food eating contest. but-
Look at this. That's a chicken
Man versus
fajita. Chicken
Look how
fajita
big this
burrito. Wow, that's what she said.
You're a real man.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Here we are with Brooke and Little Myers.
We're in Target getting stuff for my room
Boom.
to organize.
Good times. See ya. Hey Ziggy. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. See ya. Say bye.
Bye.
Brooke, where's Ziggy?
Here he is.
There's Ziggy. Yay.
Yay.
Extreme close up. Throw it. Nice catch. Throw it here. Yeah. Oh. Almost had it. Okay, ready? Yay.
Jake and I are making homemade pizza tonight for dinner. What kind are you making?
Pepperoni.
Yeah, can't eat enough pizza.
Boom.
Right? Does that look good? Okay, let's cook it.
That tastes better.
Here are the dudes.
Flannel shirts.
Yeah, my dad and Jeff and Ziggy. And here's my brother. Yay! This is the man side of the RV. And Grandma has the dogs. Grandma. Going to dinner with the parental units tonight.
Yum. Ready, set, go.
We're there. Good one, Mom.
Everyone should be sitting by a waterfall with their dog.
Yeah, it's lovely. So we're getting seafood tonight with my parents. And my dad shared a funny joke with us. Here goes.
If shrimp come in on a shrimp boat and tuna comes in on the tuna boat, what do crabs come in on?
What?
The captain's dinghy.
Waiting on dinner. What'd you get?
Barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
Hi, Eddie.
Are we?
Yeah, we're on. How was dinner?
It was good.
Jeff got the fisherman platter, and he told me it was like all you can eat, and he said they better watch out because he's gonna show them something impressive.
It didn't work out.
He didn't barely even finish the first platter.
Oh, wow.
This is my father. Nice smile, Dad. Oh my God. This is my dad. Aren't we cute?
Aren't we?
Yeah,
Don't we look
we're-
alike?
Yeah, we look
Same beard?
exactly. Yeah, we just had a lovely dinner. Look at the sunset behind
I know.
us. Wow, it came back
Oh,
out.
yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and comment. We'd love to hear if you've been to Oregon or where your favorite places are, or if you're going to be making a trip here. Maybe we can suggest something.
For sure.
So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and safe travels.
Jeff and Steph's
Excellent Oregon. Adventure.
See you guys soon.
Safe
Big
travels.
surprises coming up for the holidays.
Oh my.
Oh yeah.